Hello everyone, this is Mary Bush from Stampin' in the Sand, and I recently had some questions regarding my latest free with purchase tutorial. So I wanted to just pop on and do a quick little video with a little bit better explanation for you. So currently my promotion is that you will receive a 4-card tutorial, and it features the Earthen Elegance Suite in the annual catalog. You'll find that suite on pages 70 and 71 of, as I said, our annual catalog. This is the 23-24 annual catalog, should you be watching this at a future date. And it includes, this suite includes designer series paper. It includes a stamp set and die bundle. There's also some trim and a lot of our jewels and other embellishments play along really nicely with it. You can do way more than fall colors, which are kind of highlighted in the coordinating designer series paper, but you can really take them in any artistic direction that you wish. But my 4-card tutorial is based upon using the elements in this suite. So we will be featuring the designer series paper that's highlighted in the suite, but you can also substitute any other designer series paper you may have. And I apologize, I realized I was zoomed in further than I thought I was. So anyways, that's the Earthen Elegance Suite. Again, pages 70 and 71 of the 23-24 Stampin' Up! Annual Catalog. And my tutorial includes step-by-step directions for making the 4 cards. And as always, I suggest you never mail a naked envelope. So I am suggesting that you stamp all of your envelopes before mailing so that they coordinate with your card. And also I show you the insides of the cards where, for example, on this one, I have chosen to use the same pattern of designer series paper that I used on the front of the card for the inside of the card. So the step-by-step tutorial, this one I think is 11 pages. No, this one's 12 pages. Is 12 pages. It's step-by-step directions. It includes the full recipe with the cutting and scoring directions for all of your elements, and step-by-step photo and written instructions for completing all 4 of the cards. So if you're interested in this tutorial, all you need to do is jump over to my online store, and you can find that at stampinthesand.stampinup.net under Shop With Me. If you're interested in seeing some of my other projects, you can also pop over to the My Projects tab, and you will find all of all of the projects that I have uploaded so far to my website. If you're interested in purchasing the elements for this suite, when you go to my online store, you can just enter in the search bar Earthen Elegance, and all of the products that are included in the suite will come up, and you can pick and choose from the menu options there, or just purchase the whole entire suite. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to reach out to me. You can contact me through my website at stampinthesand.stampinup.net, or you can email me at stampwithmarybush@yahoo.com, and I will be happy to answer any of your questions. So for right now, this tutorial offer is valid from September 15th to September 30th of 2023. But as I said, if you're watching this video in the future and you are placing an order in my online store, but you prefer this tutorial to the one that I'm currently offering at that time, you can email me at that email address, and I'll be happy to send you out the tutorial for the Earthen Elegance cards in exchange for the one that I'm offering at that time. So thank you very much, everyone. I hope this was clear and answered some questions for those of you that asked. I figured I'd do a quick video because you always assume that for the one person that asks a question, there's probably 2 or 3 or 4 more that have the same question but are afraid to ask or have not asked. So thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and happy stamping. See you soon.